FAME is what we believe is the greatest model we have for skilled manufacturing education in the U.S.
Welcome to the FAME National Conference 2026 here in Jacksonville, Florida. The FAME National Conference is an excellent opportunity to network with other members of the FAME USA network. So whether you're an employer, manufacturer, whether you're a community partner, whether you're a college partner, any roles in those respective stakeholder groups, you have someone here that you can talk to that's at different stages of their FAME journey. So we have graduates in the program. We also have students who are in the program right now. When we get to meet those students and hear their experience and their stories and how this experience changed their entire life trajectory, it's truly gratifying.
I graduated from Washington Community College.
I'm a part of the Tennessee TriStar Chain Factory.
I am with the Canal Valley chapter of West Virginia FAME, and I work for NITERA North America.
I graduated from Jackson State Community College, the FAME USA program, and currently I work at NITEC.
I work for Toyota Research and Development in Ann Arbor, Michigan. FAME prepared me for that job by doing professional development, a lot of skill development. We have like a highly skilled technical program at the college. I learned all about programming with robotics, PLCs, and electronics. That suits me well for the role I have right now, working with a lot of software.
My degree is Advanced Manufacturing Technologies Maintenance, and at work I have been hired, and I will soon start full-time as a maintenance technician level 3.
I feel like FAME, coming out of high school, most people are, still immature, and I feel like FAME really helps you to grow as a person.
I went from having only, worked on cars a few times to being capable and responsible for million-dollar machinery.
Ultimately, the work that we're doing through a FAME chapter is not only creating the workforce that's needed for today and tomorrow in manufacturing, meeting that really critical role, but it's changing lives. It is really taking someone and giving them a major boost to their career.
I was working at Toyota as an operator, and my stepmama, she said, they have this maintenance program where you can go for 2 years, you can work, and you can go to school. As an operator, you think that you're just there just to operate the same machine every day. It's no opportunities, it's no promotion, it's no growth. But once I transitioned from operator to a maintenance, I understood that there was growth there, and it isn't hard labor all the time. There's opportunities there.
I'm ecstatic that I graduated. Time went by so fast. It just started 2 years ago, and now we're at the finish line, so I couldn't be happier.
I feel like I've obtained the knowledge that I need to make a better future and career for myself.
Our industry across the FAME network is very diverse. We've got about 500 manufacturers who create the FAME USA national footprint. We have very large employers, automobile manufacturers, motor manufacturers. We also have very small mom and pop shops that all utilize the program. The beauty of the FAME model is that it's accessible by employers of all sizes.
They can help connect the dots.
I work with BMO Lumber. We're working with the Northwest Division of FAME.
I'm at the SSAB Iowa plant.
I work for Orbit Form out of Jackson, Michigan, and part of the FAME Mitten chapter.
We have an aging workforce. We have 20, 30-year maintenance team members who are going to be leaving us, right? They're going to be retiring soon. So we are looking to fill what we see future gaps.
To find a skilled workforce is very difficult, and I travel all over the country meeting with manufacturers. They all say the same thing. They're all struggling to find a technical, competent employee that they can just hire in. So the FAME program is a great avenue for developing those people.
So the biggest deal is right now where the sawmill is at, it's in a smaller community, and I think it's good and important to us to want to bring these younger kids in, coming out of school, and show them that there's a good opportunity to make really good money in their community and not have to move off.
There's so many things that you can do with your FAME chapter, and you're helping your business, you're building a talent pipeline, you're also building your community talent.
What we've seen is we've gotten students that have had no experience at all come in, they don't know anything about manufacturing, and by the end of it, they're troubleshooting machines that they've never seen before. They're doing controls works with programs.
When I got them, they was fresh out of high school kids. They didn't understand, the concept of getting to work on time, the importance of doing what you're asked to do, stuff like that. And over this past year, they've really grasped onto that and they understand it.
We were in one of the high schools a few weeks ago, and one of the teachers came with a question and said, "This seems too good to be true." And I said, well, it kind of is. Like, it really is. It's earn and learn. You're getting an associate's degree. You're getting paid to go to school. You're getting hands-on experience, and then you get a full-time job at the end.
It's really just a very cost-effective way of helping to secure the future of manufacturing and building a talent pipeline for a workforce that's really aging and leaving quicker than we are replenishing them.
We are changing lives. You are changing lives. So all the growth, it is because we're going to have that impact, and we're going to build futures for people because of the education and the careers that they're getting.